how to send Bitcoin from Coinbase to another wallet. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So for this, just simply open up the Coinbase and log into your account. After that, you will be able to find your home screen, and on home screen just simply click on this option of send. After that, select Bitcoin, and this way it will ask you to provide an address for the wallet where you want to send the Bitcoin. Simply ask that particular person where you are sending the Bitcoin and they will be able to give you the address. Just simply copy that particular address and paste it on your Coinbase. This way you would be able to select the address. Now select the network. Make sure that you are selecting the same network as the person who is receiving the Bitcoin. And after that, just type the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and after that just simply click on this option of send, and you would be able to transfer the Bitcoin from your Coinbase wallet to another wallet. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.